Hello, we are from UKQT 3001, Extracurricular Experiential Learning. We are from Group 2, Section 23. We will present our proposal of an extracurricular activity that can enhance UTM graduate attributes among students. Our group members consist of me, Firdaus, Sam, Yuva, Suhaliza, and Akmal.
What is graduate success attributes? Graduate success attributes is the lot of qualities and skills toward becoming a successful employee. UTM have 7 graduate success attributes, which are thinking skills, scholarship skills, adaptability, enterprising skills, global citizens, leadership and team working skills, and the last one is communication skills. Graduate students need to be knowledgeable and technically competent with various generic skills. Here is the highlighted issue among students in UTM. According to the survey, we found the top 3 attributes that UTM students lacks are adaptability, communication skills, and leadership and team working skills. Firstly, most of the students are unable to adapt to the new changing circumstances. Due to the pandemic COVID-19, movement control order had let the students adapt to stay at home, causing them not facing any new challenges. Next, students lack communication skills due to low confidence in themselves to communicate with others. Their communication styles have been changed to ineffective style, which is online communication and big impact of destroying their confidence. Last but not least, students lack leadership and team working skills because they do not have enough chance to join the activities or become the committee to handle the program. Lack of face-to-face interaction with the committee members due to the pandemic COVID-19, also an impact of lack of these skills.
Our group has organized a sport program for UTM students at Sport Hall 1. There are 4 types of sport, which are badminton, netball, volleyball, and table tennis. Our goal and objective are to increase the spirit of students to be active in sport and games activities in addition to excelling in academics.
Okay, hello, my name is Akmal. I'm going to explain about the activity schedule and the financial statement. So our event will start from 8 a.m. We will be expecting the KTC principal, VIP, and other invited guests. And then we will also start the registration of participants. By 8:45, we will do warm-up activity for all of the participants. And then we will start the first match or the first activity at 9 a.m., which is badminton. And then followed by netball at 10 a.m. At 11 a.m., there will be a break for participants. At 11:30, we will start the next activity, which is volleyball match until 1 p.m. So 1 hour and 30 minutes for volleyball. And then at 1 p.m., there will be table tennis match for 30 minutes. At 1:30, table tennis match will end, and the MC will invite KTC principal for closing speech. And at 1:40, event will be finished. For the publicity material, there will be a printed poster of 200 pieces and 1 banner, which will total of 140 ringgit. For the clothes, there will be clothes for the referee and the media team to differentiate between the participant and the referee. And then for the extras, these are the amount that will be given to the media team, MC, and referee. So media team will get 10 ringgit each for 2 people, MC also 2 people for 20 ringgit each. For the referee, there will be 10 people and each will be given 30 ringgit, which will total to 360 ringgit. There will be a VIP gift souvenir of 50 ringgit for 3 people. For the food during the break, we have a budget of Greenho watermelon drink and gardenia roti of 30 pack, so 1 box. 1 set of 6 drinks times 4 pack. It will be 21 ringgit 20 cents, and we will need 5 of that so that we will have somewhere around 100. For ambulance, we will need 1 ambulance to be ready which will cost 250 ringgit for one day. So we will also need one safety officer from UTM Balai and also one medic from PKU to also be ready at the ambulance. And for logistics, there will be a set of 10 tables, chairs, which will cost 250 ringgit. So meaning there will be only one tent and which is inclusive already of the tables and chairs. For the sport equipment, we'll need 7 shuttlecock of 12 pieces, each costing 60 ringgit. Volleyball of 5 balls, 60 ringgit. Netball ball of 5, which will cost 250 ringgit. And lastly, table tennis. So in total, the budget that we will require for this event is 3,000 ringgit.
Hello, I am Firdaus and I will talk about targeted audience and monitoring and evaluation. For the targeted audience, we are restricting the participants only for residents of College Tun Ku Chancellor UTM and UTM athletes. We have conducted a survey to ask 20 students to answer on how often they exercise in UTM. We can see that only minority of them never exercise in UTM, 20% do it once a month, 35% exercise once a week, 50% of them exercise once every 2 days, and 25% every day. We also asked them about which graduate attributes is needed to be improvised throughout the program. We can see here that the teamwork and thinking skills have the same percentage, which is 25%, leadership is 20%, communication skills is 15%, adaptability is 10%, and lastly, global citizens 5%. After the program, we did the postmortem to find the cause of the program failure that will be determined by each committee member and suggest a solution for that particular problem so we can improve our next program in the future.
The importance of suggestions to improve graduate attributes for the students and for your team itself. Firstly, teamwork and leadership skills. Interaction between participants and get to work together as a team to gain the objective of the program. The ability to lead the team to become better and develop responsibility towards the team. Secondly, thinking skills. They develop new thinking skills as participants have to analyze every situation carefully, and the idea is to keep getting better when having group discussion between members. Thirdly, communication skills. They will be able to listen and act according to the system, able to negotiate and reach agreement without fighting verbally, and able to communicate effectively with confidence. And lastly, adaptability. Participants can adapt with new environment and new culture. Participants can work perfectly well even in hard situations. And participants can work in different conditions and different environments. As a conclusion, we hope that the participants and committee members gain new knowledge and enhance their soft skills to another level. It will become one of their preparations to the committee members when they enter the society. That's all. Thank you from us.